Hey guys, it's Anna again, and today we are going to get started with KeepSolid VPN Unlimited on your iPad. There are two options to get this VPN app on your device, from the official website of the KeepSolid team and from the App Store directly. I choose the second option, and as you can see, I run the App Store and type KeepSolid VPN Unlimited in the search field. To download the app on your device, you have to tap Get. I've installed VPN Unlimited before, so I tap the backup button. Now we have to wait a few seconds. And as you can see, KeepSolid VPN Unlimited is successfully installed on my iPad. Now let's figure out how it works. Tap Try 7 days for free. Confirm. To connect to a VPN server, you have to tap Start. Connecting for the first time, you will be requested to allow adding VPN configurations for your iPad and downloading a VPN profile. Don't worry, this is a standard system message when installing VPN configurations, so tap Allow and Continue. Allow. Confirm. Tap Start again. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and see you next time.